So for this demonstration, I do have just a network share that has 3 different folders here. The first folder, app repo, contains the 3 applications we're going to automatically package. We have 7-zip, PuTTY, as well as Firefox. Once these are done being packaged, we'll see our finished applications in the complete folder. And the ones that I do want to package do go into the 2 package folders. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and just copy our 3 MSIs and put them in the applications to be packaged folder. Next, I do have a PowerShell script that goes out to my network share. It's configured to point to one of my Hyper-V machines and refers to the snapshot. So each time it automatically packages one of the MSIs, it will go out and revert back to that checkpoint on Hyper-V. So I'm going to go and start the script, and it's going to start cycling through these MSIs and start packaging them. And we'll see that this demo machine here is the one that it will be using the checkpoints on and use it to package the applications. And as those applications do get packaged, we will start to see them show up in the complete folder. And it will also additionally appear in the Cloudpager application portal. So the first one that we'll package, just because it is done by number, it'll start 7-zip, PuTTY, and then Firefox, and we'll see those applications appear in here. And these applications will be named as the MSI files. So we can see that 7-zip has already been moved out of here. And if I come out to the complete directory, we see that we have the original MSI that was packaged. Alongside that, we have the STP file, STP. We even have a CSV file that outputs all the EXEs and DLLs that were detected during the capture, as well as even the JSON file that can be used for future purposes. So we do see that the upload has been completed. So if I just refresh the portal here, we'll see that we do have 7-zip out here and it has been published. And from here, I can go ahead and just update any application details as we wish. So I'll just go and throw in the version number and just enter the name here. You can enter other application details, but during this demo, I'm not going to enter any additional information, and we'll just publish this. And when I come back out to the application list, we see that we already have PuTTY out here. So if I come out to the completed folder, we do see that we indeed have the PuTTY file structure out here, just like we did for 7-zip. And I will go and just finish editing the details on PuTTY as well. And we'll get that published out. And you can see here, just for the demo script, we even put a description here that it's an automated upload for demo purposes of PuTTY. So that can be customizable per the script. This is just a simple demonstration of the process. So the final application that it is packaging is Firefox. So it's a little bit larger of an application, and it also has a longer install. So it'll also take just longer to package it, longer to upload. But I can also connect to the console of this automated packaging machine just to take a look of kind of what's going on here. So we can see that it has started the non-interactive packaging process. So it's going through just running the install of Firefox. And once that is complete, we'll see that it outputs the STP file, and then it begins the upload. And the upload of Firefox can take a little bit because it is a larger application. If I come back out to the completed folder, we do see that we have Firefox folder structure out here. And once the upload is complete and has been published, we'll see those 2 confirmation files that the upload and publishing has completed. So this will take just a moment to finish uploading. So we'll just kind of wait for that to finish. So as Firefox is uploading, we do see that we have a draft out here of Firefox. And once that has completed uploading, it will enter the published state. The machine that we're going to test these applications on, I do have another virtual machine here that will assign those applications into. And if I open up the Cloud Paging Player, we do see we do not have Firefox or PuTTY out here, but we do have an older version of 7-zip that will just go ahead and push an update to. So when we go to assign 7-zip to this, we'll deselect the older version of 7-zip, select the new one, so that way the user gets the updated version. All right, so we see that Firefox has completed uploading. I can refresh the page here. We do see that Firefox has been published. So since Firefox is a larger application, I'm going to go ahead and create a policy for Firefox that will instruct it to just fully download the entire package of Firefox. So that way, when the user receives it, it is ready to use, but also it'll just have the full copy of the application. Since it is a web browser, it does provide a better user experience. So I just toggle the option to page entire app set. And I'll come out to my work pod. The work pod that the user is receiving those applications from is our laptop user's work pod. I'll come out here, deselect the older version of 7-zip and select 7-zip PuTTY as well as Firefox. And for Firefox, I'm going to select that policy that will instruct the full copy of the application to be downloaded to the local cache. And then we'll just put in my revision changes in here and get that published out. So the next time my demo machine checks in with the environment, we'll see that 7-zip does get removed, and then it will receive and start virtualizing the new applications. So we can see here that Firefox is downloading the remainder of the package. So if I come out to the start menu, I can come out and launch 7-zip. You can see that we do indeed have the newer version, version 23. I can also come out here and launch PuTTY. We can see that it launches and we do have the version that we packaged. And then lastly, I can come out here and launch Firefox. And then we are able to browse the internet. So we have just automatically packaged these 3 applications and they're here deployed, ready to use.